Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Have you ever actually stopped to think about the invisible environment you interact with the most? I'm talking about the air passing through the filters in your car, your home, or your office. We all change our filters, sure, but what if you could upgrade that entire system from something that just passively catches dust to something that actively neutralizes microscopic threats? Well, today we're looking at a truly unique innovation. It's called the AG filter, and it is a total game changer for how we approach air hygiene. If you care about the quality of the air you and your family breathe, let's discover exactly how this works.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here's a quick look at our agenda for today. First, an introduction to AG filter. Then, the patented scientific advantage, followed by premium safety and benefits, simple steps for clean air, and finally, how to upgrade your air today.
All right, Section 1, Introduction to AG filter.
Take a look at this sleek metallic bottle. Now, I want to be clear right off the bat. This isn't just some glorified air freshener. It represents a completely different category altogether. AG Filter Top is a premium sanitation liquid designed specifically for the hygienic stabilization of air filters. Whether we're talking about the cabin filter in your vehicle, keeping street bacteria out, or your home AC unit, this liquid treats the filter directly. It fundamentally upgrades your filter by adding an active, working layer of sanitation.
And listen, when you're introducing something into the air you breathe every single day, credibility is literally everything. This product is engineered directly by the manufacturer, C14 Pharma. Notice their logo and that distinctive Swiss cross? That's not just for show. That represents authentic Swiss quality, precision manufacturing, and it means the product holds all the necessary safety certificates. This isn't some generic spray you pick up at the gas station. It is an exclusive, top-tier product backed by serious pharmaceutical-grade standards.
Moving right along to Section 2, the patented scientific advantage.
So, the secret engine driving this whole thing is a powerful dual-action formula. The first part is colloidal silver, precisely calibrated at 15 parts per million, or ppm. You might be wondering, why exactly 15 ppm? Well, it turns out this is the absolute optimal concentration for highly effective antibacterial action. When applied, it actively reduces microorganisms right on your filters. Instead of those microscopic threats just multiplying like crazy in the dark, damp environment of your air ducts, the silver steps in and actively neutralizes them.
But here is the crucial point. Silver alone isn't going to do much if the airflow just blows it right off the filter, right? That's where the patented SIM14 Air Guard Matrix comes into play. This is a closely guarded, proprietary complex that acts as a super stabilizer. It literally binds the active ingredients directly to the highly porous materials of air filters, locking in that prolonged sanitary action. This is exclusive, patented intellectual property directly from SIM14 Pharma. You simply cannot get this kind of stabilizing technology from any other manufacturer.
Let's look at Section 3, Premium Safety and Benefits.
We have to draw a really clear line in the sand here. On the left side, we have AG Filter Plus, which is a specialized, perfectly safe sanitary solution. On the right, your typical harsh household chemicals and aggressive disinfectants. AG Filter Plus was explicitly developed from the ground up to be completely safe for you, your family, and your passengers, while still being incredibly tough on microbes. You are utilizing a sophisticated, fully certified treatment here, absolutely not a harsh, generic chemical.
And the real-world benefits of this safe formulation are just massive. By significantly reducing the microbial load, you inherently improve the overall air quality. But here is the truly surprising part. It actively prevents the filter from getting clogged up with all that gross biological buildup. Because the filter stays cleaner for so much longer, you actually increase the service intervals between your maintenance. Basically, you breathe much healthier air, and you spend less money and less time on frequent, annoying filter replacements. Talk about a win-win.
Okay, Section 4, Simple Steps for Clean Air. And this brilliantly illustrates the product's simplicity. While it absolutely delivers professional-grade results, the exact kind of clean you'd expect from a specialized technician treating a heavy-duty filter, the actual application is something you or your mechanic can effortlessly do in just a matter of minutes.
It's an incredibly straightforward three-step process. Step 1. Dilute one 100 milliliter bottle of AG filter into 1 liter of regular water. Step 2. Evenly spray that solution right onto your air filter. And Step 3. Just let the filter dry completely before reinstalling it. That's literally it. And because of that patented SI14 stabilizer we talked about, you only need to repeat this preventative treatment every 2 to 3 months. You get premium, unmatched results with zero complex procedures.
Finally, Section 5, Upgrade your air today.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how perfectly the whole value proposition comes together. You are getting the optimal 15 ppm colloidal silver, entirely powered by that exclusive, patented Cis-14 technology. It boasts trusted, certified Swiss-quality manufacturing straight from the source. It's 100% safe for your homes and vehicles, and it comes perfectly packaged in a convenient format of 4 100 ml bottles. That gives you more than enough supply to last throughout the entire year across multiple units.
Which brings us to our final question for you. Isn't it time you actually experience the ultimate standard in air hygiene? Honestly, why settle for passive filters that just collect debris when you can actively sanitize the air you and your loved ones breathe every single day? With its patented formula and undeniable Swiss quality, Ag Filter is simply a superior, totally unique product that you won't find anywhere else. Don't wait around for your next maintenance check. Secure your health, upgrade your environment, and purchase your Ag Filter today. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and here's to taking full control of the invisible environment around you.